Hello, we are at the we're right next to Clem's and Spencer, Mass. At the car. I think they're the last one of the year. Yeah. That's cool. GTO. And this is just the beginning of the car show. I think, at least. We are so close to 50 subs. Only 5 subs away. So please subscribe. So I can actually do so. I don't know if I'll be going to any more car shows this year, but next year I'll be able to live stream it instead of just upload it later. What's this thing? This thing's interesting. Probably from the 40s. I don't know the most about cars, but that's definitely a Camaro. Fifth gen Camaro. Nice car. 2010-ish. Plymouth Roadrunner. Woo! That thing actually does sound good. What is? Oh, a Malibu. I feel like I've seen this one a couple times. Oh, a 55, 57 maybe Thunderbird.
Go to the next one, right? So you want to ride it?
Is this a 55 or a 57? What?
She's probably
Cool.
6.
I think 67 Mustang. Nice. Another Thunderbird. All right, this thing's sick. Almost the same color as my dad. He actually took the time to take the T-tops off. Yeah, it's a manual too. It's got a clock in it. I don't know if was this an actual pace car or is this like
Well, they made one for each Chevy dealer, a replica. Yeah, they had the real ones. They had 2 of them, I believe, at the track. You know, and then they made one.
Was this one of them?
No, this is one of the replicas. And I got this out of the junkyard about 20 years ago or so.
Wow.
It used to be a hot top.
Nice. Always a manual too?
Huh?
Always a manual too?
Oh yeah.
My dad has one down.
Yeah, it was always a manual. It had a
My dad has one down there. It's a it's almost this color. Manual T-top. This is an 88. Is this an 82?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's,
First year.
Yeah, he does. It was a 4-speed initially.
Oh.
I put a world-class 5-speed in, and then about 12 years later, I put a 6-speed in.
Oh, so this is a 6-speed. Oh wow, that's cool.
He cut the roof off my parts car, and they put it on this car.
Nice. That's good.
I put the alcohol. Oh, good dummy. Oh. No accounting for brain trust.
78,000 miles?
Huh?
78,000 miles?
Oh, that's like the 4th dashboard I've had in here, so I don't know how many miles are on that. Oh, here. Cut the roof off the parts car. There he is cutting it, went right through the glass and everything. Yeah. They're lifting it off. Now this roof is on this car. This is like but I'll show you what this
This thing's clean.
Look at the Honda in the roof.
Oh, more cars coming.
I'll show you.
This car's sick. Ooh, These new Mustangs are pretty nice. 50-year anniversary. So this must be 2015. Wait, no. This must be 2014. If I'm right, I don't know. What?
Come out here. Over here.
Come over here. He wants you to see something.
Look at the front of the car.
Get out of the
Oh
picture.
yeah, I saw. I think I've seen this before at one of the, maybe last year at this car show.
Yeah, you probably did, yeah.
Kid.
Yeah, I remember. You remember that?
Oh, yeah, I remember.
I didn't think you were.
All right, see you guys. Ooh, a Nova, 67-ish, I'm guessing. 1970, I knew it. Isn't this the one with the pillows in the back? Yeah, I remember this one. I think it's nice. Clean. Oh, I see something over there. Oh wow. He's got a replica. I remember this one really well. I think this one's never touched rain. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. This is the one I had to run and warn him about the rain. The last car show. So he dodged. I don't want to get copyrighted for music like I did at the car show a couple of videos. No, actually a lot of videos ago. That was a pain to cut up into little pieces. It's cool. I think it's nice. He's got a replica of the movie car. A GMC? What? I never knew they made GMC El Camino things. But, well, until today, I never knew. That's cool. There's a GMC. That's sick. Didn't know they made those. Oh, I remember that from Car Show. I remember a lot of these cars. Ford Model T or something. I don't know. Off the top of my head. Ford Model AT, whatever. I don't know off the top of my head, so. This thing's nice. I love this color. This color is.
I'm going to bed. Okay. Right. There you go. You go like this.
Definitely original paint. That's cool. This thing is definitely 100% all original. Is that from an alligator? This is pretty cool though. Pontiac. Those lights aren't original though, but they do look cool. Mustang. Clean. A Buick. Grand National. Forgot the name of this. Buick Regal. Buick Estate Wagon. Cars are starting to arrive fast. Jeez, I'm gonna have to record a lot. Mach 1. I don't know, tell me guys if you want to see more car show content or more stuff I usually do. Oh, original license plate. Ooh, that is hard to find. Corvette. Oh my god. What is that beautiful? This is going to be the thumbnail. No way. How did a Countach show up to a car show in Spencer? How did something like this show up? Is that thing real? I don't know. Probably is. How did something like that show up? That's going to be the thumbnail shot, 100% thumbnail. I wish I actually charged my phone before I left. I have like 40% left, but the battery on this stupid thing dies fast. Yo, is that a Supra? It is. Don't copyright me on the music. Better not get my videos taken down again because of the copyrighted music. That's mean, YouTube. Yep, I'm probably getting my videos taken down. Come on, Eminem, don't do that to me. A 4th gen. Oh. Honestly, I don't like Rams, but the 1st gens are cool. This is nice. 4th gen. Step sides are hard to find. This is sick too. Is this a Ford or a Chevy? And it is a Chevy. Alright, I'm gonna go see if this car is a kit car or I don't know. This thing looks pretty real.
What it used to be.
Fiero.
Oh wait, is this a real Lamborghini or no? This thing's sick though. Kit car though? Alright, thumbnail shot. This one will be the thumbnail, guys. It's a square button. A little bit, I'm probably gonna go get myself some food. Oh, now this 1st gen is sick.
You know, what a fucking asshole. You know, that's not what you tell somebody that's offering you tickets.
This 1st gen is sick.
You know, so I said, good. So I shoved it right in the I'm not taking shit from anybody anymore.
Corvette.
I'm not doing it.
Oklahoma City.
Oh, okay.
So this is from Oklahoma? That's cool. Ford Model A or T, I don't know. Ford Model A. Yeah, it's a Ford Model A. It's a, I don't know what it is. I've seen it before. It's an MG. It's an MG. I know that from Forza. I know that from Forza. Especially Forza Horizon 4. I think that's one of the barn finds. Why is a Firebird parked in the trees? Getting stuff stuck in my shoe. There's a 68 Firebird parked in the trees. I don't know what this is doing here. Yeah, it's a good spot, but in the shade if somebody's gonna sit out here, but hopefully there's no birds over there. It's gonna be a paint job. Another Mustang. Jeez. And it's like the exact same spec as the other one. What is this thing? I don't know. Oh, it's a Impala. This one a deluxe? Oh wait, this one's a Chevy something. This one's a Ford. It's a Chevy. They're both Chevys. They're both Chevys. I think they're both the exact same thing too. Okay, what is this doing here? It's a Volvo. Yeah. It's a convertible, so. What? This thing's cool. Alright, I think I've showed everything. Oh, except those two. The cars keep coming on in. I'll probably go get myself some food. How long have we been recording? 17 minutes. So, yeah, if YouTube is watching this, please don't, like, take my videos down since there's music playing in the background. Oh. And people swearing in the background. But, look at that huge exhaust. That thing is ginormous. More cars. When I hit 50 subscribers, I'll probably stream instead. And yes, that Lamborghini was a kit car, indeed. There may be a part 2 later, but I'm gonna save my battery and I'll see you guys at like the end of the show, probably. Bye.